Freedom is expression.
Freedom is
आज़ादी
expression.
फार
Freedom is
से
expression. Freedom is expression.
Freedom is expression.
Libertate înseamnă a avea puterea de a te
Freedom
exprima.
is expression.
Many people in the world lack the fundamental freedoms
that are universally recognized as essential for a free society.
Freedom is expression.
These freedoms are
Freedom of the press.
Freedom of speech.
And freedom of religion.
Freedom is expression.
Though no country is perfect, the Chinese government is extreme in denying its citizens these fundamental freedoms.
We support the Chinese
And
citizens.
their accomplishments in hosting the Olympics.
We support the Olympic athletes and their right to express themselves.
We support Tibet, the Dalai Lama, the goal for autonomy,
And their rights to these freedoms.
Only with freedom of expression will there be true peace.
When people's voices are silenced,
We must speak out for justice.
In a free society, freedom of expression is not just our right.
It is our responsibility.
Freedom is expression.
自由は表現法です。
Freedom is expression.
自由是表情。
Freedom is expression.
The art of peace is now.